In a village somewhere in Bangladesh, something special is about to happen. It's a traditional horse race. More than 5,000 people have gathered today to enjoy this century-old tradition. It's the fierce competition. Jockeys of different ages has to compete with each other in various groups to reach the final. Many famous jockeys from around the country have come to join the race. But these two girls have come to steal the show. They are the best female jockeys in the country. Nowadays, traditions like this horse race has become a rare sight. Thankfully, I was lucky enough to attend such a rare and great event.